How to cut a subject out of photos or videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your iPhone. Once you're here, navigate through your library and select the photo you want to use. Now, press and hold on the main subject within the photo. You'll see an animation that outlines and lifts the subject from its background. A menu will then appear with several options. From this menu, tap on Copy to save the subject to your clipboard. Next, go to the home screen and tap on the Messages application. Open any conversation and tap on the iMessage text field. Tap on Paste when the option appears. The subject you copied, now without its background, will appear in the message box. Tap the Send button to share it. Following these steps, you can easily cut a subject out of a photo or video on an iPhone.